Hey everyone, welcome back to Code to Cloud Academy. Today, I'm sharing my Infosys interview experience for a 3 to 4 year Java developer role. These are exact questions they asked, so if you're preparing for Infosys, TCS, Cognizant, or any service-based company, this video is for you. Section 1, Core Java Round. The interview started with Core Java Basics but quickly moved into scenario-based questions. Questions asked: difference between equals and equals, abstract class vs interface string vs string builder vs string buffer, how to make a class a mutable heap vs stack memory, checked vs unchecked exceptions, what is the constant string pool, difference between throw and throws, and what is the parent class of exceptions. These are very common Infosys style questions, mostly theoretical, but interviewers expect short, clear answers. Section 2, Spring and Spring Boot Round. Questions asked: difference between at qualifier and at primary, how to create global exception handling using at controller, advised at request param vs at put param, explain Maven lifecycle, what does at Spring Boot application include, list common Spring Boot starters. This round focused on real project experience, not just definitions. Section 3, Java 8 Round. They definitely test whether you understand Java 8. Questions asked: key features of Java 8, streams, lambdas, optional, functional interfaces, what is concurrent modification exception and how to avoid it, Hashset vs tree set, types of functional interfaces, comparable vs comparator, why do we need lambda expressions. Section 4, Multithreading Round. They didn't go very deep, but they asked basics. Questions asked: what is executor service and why use executor framework, difference between sleep vs wait, difference between atomic long vs long. They check if you understand concurrency, not deep implementation. Section 5, Microservices and Architecture Round. This round checked real-world service experience. Questions asked: explain design patterns you have worked with, what is API gateway and circuit breaker, explain solid principles. How do microservices communicate internally? REST, Feign, Kafka, RabbitMQ. Section 6, Practical Coding Questions. Yes, Infosys does ask coding questions for 3 to 4 years experience. Questions asked: find the first repeated character in a string, implement API layer right pointing arrow, service layer right pointing arrow, database layer, perform stream API operations inside service methods. They want to see if you understand application structure, not just coding. FINAL tips. If you're preparing for Infosys or any mid-level Java role, focus on checkmark Core Java Fundamentals, checkmark Spring Boot Basics, checkmark Java 8, checkmark Microservices Patterns, checkmark at least one coding question. If you want to grow as a Java developer, please don't forget to subscribe. I post daily Java, Spring Boot and Microservices interview videos.